Hi guys, tonight I'll do some spare ribs. You know, the term spare ribs does not refer to extra ribs, of course. Spare ribs comes from the German word Rippenspeer. Rippenspeer in English means spear rib, as this part of the pig was traditionally roasted on a spear. In English it became rib spear first and eventually spare ribs. And this piece of pork has 450 grams and I need to cut it in half. Before we can put it into the oven, we need to add some olive oil. Alright. To marinate the spare ribs, I mainly use paprika, pepper and salt. But use whatever you like. Now you need some fresh garlic, a garlic press, barbecue sauce, olive oil, other spices, and we'll do a marinade. The spare ribs were in the oven for 40 minutes and now we'll add some barbecue sauce with nice garlic and other spices. And when it's done, we have to put it back into the oven. After 40 minutes more, the spare ribs are ready to eat. My garlic spare ribs are ready now. They look absolutely delicious. No, spare ribs, if you want to call it spare ribs, do have at least 10 bones and a maximum of 13 bones. Alright, let's see if it's tasty or not. Bullseye! It is very tasty. Thank you so much for all the good recipes about spare ribs on YouTube. The spare ribs were excellent. Bullseye. And how many points do I give? 180! Take care. All the best to you!